What's up guys, Kamil here from Addictive Frames. In this video I'm going to show you how to create word-by-word text animation in DaVinci Resolve that you've seen in videos edited in Premiere Pro software. In my last word-by-word video, I swear that it's impossible to make opacity in word-by-word animation with my method, but I was wrong, and today I'm about to show you how to create exactly the same effect as Premiere Pro users do. So let's do it. Okay guys, first of all you need to go to YouTube and find this channel Simon Stanfield. Go to videos and click on this video and go to the description and click on Buy Me Coffee and his profile in Buy Me Coffee, and you can buy him coffee of course if you want to, and download this presets word by word. Okay, when you got it, install that. There is instruction in tutorial if you want to follow, and go back to DaVinci and go to effects, titles, and here is the word by word SC. Grab this one. Here is the Simon's effect. Go to Fusion, ungroup this group. Now if you are in template, go to modifiers, and as you can see comp, there is expression in delay. So this means that throughout all the clip, doesn't matter how long the clip is, so the word by word effect will go through the clip. So the last word will be at the end of the clip. To achieve the effect, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video, follow me and remove expression. Now we can manipulate the length by this parameter. And now as you can see, this effect itself, it's really good in my opinion. So this is how this guy achieved opacity. Okay, you can follow this tutorial. I don't want to dive deep in this for the sake of this quick tutorial. I just want to show something else. But as you can see, there is really nice effect which you can have from this tutorial. But what I want to add the cherry for the cake. And what I'm going to do, go to frame number 0, go to offset Y in transform, and make sure you change transform to words. Animate here to 0. No, sorry, that will be -0.015. Okay, and go to frame, I don't know, frame number 5, and go back to 0. And here you've got this effect as you have in Premiere Pro. Very simple. And this is it guys. This is how you can make this word-by-word text effect in DaVinci Resolve, which you've seen in videos edited in Premiere Pro software. If you would like to learn more about Fusion, watch this video next. Bye.